Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today in this occasion I will deliver a short tutorial about what is OSPF and how to configure it in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, first OSPF is a dynamic routing protocol that is used interior gateway protocol and link state routing protocol for finding a way to its destination. Okay, characteristic of OSPF. OSPF can automatically update the routing table or table route, and also OSPF is using link state routing protocol. Like every router that is configured with OSPF will give an LSA or link state advertisement to another router. And OSPF is using is SPF algorithm that is that is algorithm to find the find the smallest way or the smallest way to its destination. And OSPF also using cosmetric for finding the best way to its destination. Okay, cosmetric. Okay, what is cosmetric? Cosmetric is like the cost, the, the cost for OSPF in choosing the path. For example, in OSPF, if you have two paths to your destination, he will choose the smallest cost. If the first cost, if the first way is cost 10 and the second way is the cost is 1, and the OSPF automatically choose second path because it's the smallest cost. Okay, maybe we will jump into the lab. Okay, here I already make a topology, and if you didn't make this topology, you may make first before you configure it. In here there are many way to configure OSPF. In here I use command line interface to configure OSPF in router 1. First you may enter enable and configure terminal, that is for you can can make and comment to the CLI. After that, if you want to configure OSPF, you can just type in your CLI, type router OSPF 1. After that, you will entering into router config router. In this, now you can adding a network in your network. For example, this in router 1 there is network PC1. PC1 have an IP address this. So we must add the IP address in to OSPF like this. Okay, I will explain this. This is creating a new network with network 192 168.10.0 network. This means this subnet will be added to OSPF. This subnet that connect PC1 and router 1. And the next is wildcard subnet mask. That is the reverse of default subnet mask. So it's like 0.0.0.255. And the next is area. In this case, I will use area 1 for this router 1. And also, we must add the network or the subnet of this IP address 198.168.1.0 to OSPF. Okay, like that. Now we done with router 1. Now we move to router 2. In here in router 2, there is two subnet masks that must add in OSPF. The first is this IP and the second is this IP. Okay, we will configure. Okay, now we're done with route 2. I add network of 192.168.1.0 and also 190 192.168.2.0. Okay, now we just next to the router 3. In this case, in router 3, we must add IP address of this IP, this subnet, and this network subnet. Okay, just go to the CLI. Okay, now we are done to configuration for router 3. Now it must can be the all device in here can be connected and can be ping together. Here I try example PC1 and PC2. Okay, and you see in the right bottom you will see the status is successful from PC1 to PC2. Okay, maybe that's all short tutorial about OS5 from me. Sorry if I have mistake while giving this tutorial, and I hope this useful for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.